Never forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Happy Sunday everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Tower Isle in the parish of St Mary, and we are going to be featuring the luxury residential resort community called Roystonea. Roystonea sits on 45 acres of land, and it gives individuals the opportunity to purchase a lot. There are 83 lots for sale in total, some of which have already been sold. And with this development, they give you the option of building your own home, or they can build the property for you, and they have 4 optional villa types. Okay, and we're going to show those to you and show you what they look like. The lots do start from 1/4 acre and above. From my research and what I've seen online, a lot of the bigger lots have already been sold. So at present there are 1/4 acre lots and 1/2 acre lots. Okay, the 1/4 acre lots are going for about $125,000 US, and the 1/2 acre lots at present are going for about $150,000 US. As usual, we like to take you on a little drive of the area, the neighborhood. Now, Roystonea is literally opposite Couples in Tower Isle. Couples Hotel in Tower Isle, beautiful hotel. It's literally opposite there and very close to their tennis grounds, and you'll see that on the drive. So on the drive here, we are coming from St Mary side, going in towards Ochi, and you'll see we'll take a left turn to where the new development is being built. Now, Roystonea is a gated community. It will be 24 hours gated community. Some of the lots will offer beautiful sea views, and you'll see that in the video on our drive up there. Some of the lots will offer a mountain view. 2-bedroom villa is approximately 1,800 square feet. It has an open modern living, dining, kitchen area concept. It has a balcony and covered terrace, in-unit laundry and storage. Master bedroom comes with an ensuite bathroom, walk-in closet. The guest bedroom also comes with ensuite bathroom. There is a powder room, plunge pool, covered parking, underground water storage and backup generator, which is optional. The 3-bedroom villa is approximately 2,800 square feet. Again, is an open modern living, dining, kitchen concept, balcony, in-unit laundry, master bedroom with ensuite, walk-in closet. 2 guest bedrooms also have ensuite, powder room, plunge pool, covered parking, again underground water storage, and again backup generator as optional. The 4-bedroom, as with the 2 and 3, offer the same facilities, but the 4-bedroom is approximately 3,200 square footage in area. The 5-bedroom villa is approximately 3,800 square foot, and as with the 2, 3 and 4 bedroom, offers similar facilities throughout the property. Now remember guys, these are optional, okay? So if you want to build your own, no problem. If you want to go with one of the designs that the developers have on offer, then you can do that too. Now unfortunately, there are no costings or prices for the 2, 3 or 4 2, 3, 4 or 5-bedroom villa. These haven't been released, so that's something that if you're interested in, you would need to speak to the developer about. But as of now, no prices for the villas have been released. If you are interested in further information on how to purchase one of these lots, then please do call the contact details coming up on your screen now. Guys, thank you for watching this video. We hope you have enjoyed. Please do like, comment, share, subscribe. Please do watch the ads. And until next time, datmisehtv.
This one has got to be now, 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 now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.